What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Scooch, and we are going to be working on the DelSol today. So this car, as a lot of you know that have followed the channel for a while, it's done me pretty well. I haven't had too many issues with it. But over the summer, the blower motor stopped working properly. So I'll actually show you what that consists of. So you start the car. Actually, you don't even really have to. So you can see here, basically what's going on is it doesn't work on 1, doesn't work on 2 or 3, but it works on 4. Now, in the summer, that's not that big of an issue. I deal without the AC and I get through it. In the winter, that becomes a bit problematic because now the window's getting fogged up and I can't see where I'm going. So I went out and I ordered another piece and it came in from Rock Auto and everything's, looking pretty good on it. I looked up how to do it. It's literally a 2-minute install. It's not going to take very long. So I just want to walk people through how to do it. And, that way, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, or if you want, just in case you want to know how to do it on this car, the video is out there. This is the same process as I'm told for pretty much any 92 to 99 Civic, whether it's an Integra, whether it's a DelSol, whether it's a coupe, a hatch, whatever. It's pretty much the same process. And like I said, it's 2 screws and it's all done. You plug it in. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come over to your passenger side, drop down the glove box. Now, what you need to do is actually push the sides in so that you can drop it down further. This particular glove box, I did that a long time ago and was too lazy to fix it. So now it just drops down all the way every time. So that makes it a little easier for me. Now what you're going to be going after is this little guy over here. I don't know how well you can, let me see if I can get a flashlight in here. That's actually not bad. All right, so what you're gonna be going after is this little guy back here. You're gonna see that it's like a black, it's flat on the bottom, and then it's got the plug coming out of it. And there's 2 screws, there's 1 screw on each side of it. So you're gonna wanna unplug that. Nice and easy. And now that that's out of the way, you want to get your stubby boy, Stumpy, slide it in there, and unscrew both those screws. Now once you have both those screws out, you just pop it out. And here it is. This little device is causing all of those problems. So you can just set that aside, and where did I put my other one? Over here. Which I didn't open it yet. But basically you're gonna plug that back in and just reverse the process, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Hopefully everything works and I didn't break anything in the process. Now in case you're wondering, there is only one way that this can go in. So you can see by the shape that it is, more, I don't know, it's not flat, okay? You get it? So, anyway, it looks like this. When you put it in, the side that's angled goes to the left, because that's how the little thing in there is cut out. So you can slide that right in there. This is horrible camera work. I apologize in advance. And there goes my flashlight. Slap that bad boy in there like so. And then you just want to screw it back. All right, she's all buttoned up, so let's see if it works. Just turn the key to the on position. Oh, I hear air. Hey! Now it works again. All right, I'm very happy about that. Now I can drive this when it's cold out and not have to worry about being blinded by foggy windows. So, all right, well, that's pretty much it for today. I will catch you in the next video, and yeah, that's about it. Have a good one. Scooch out.